Okay, which of the following territories were annexed during Lord Dalhousie's tenure? Now, the doctrine by which Lord Dalhousie was annexing the territories is Doctrine of Lapse. But during his tenure, other territories has also been annexed. The first one over here is Punjab. Yes. Pegu. Yes. Awadh. Yes. But Awadh was annexed on the pretext of misgovernment, not Doctrine of Lapse. Sikkim. Yes. Treaty of Bassein. We had already seen. See over here. Punjab after Second Anglo-Sikh War, right? And another after Second Anglo-Burmese War, they had annexed Burma. Awadh was annexed again on the grounds of misgovernance. Please remember, not under Doctrine of Lapse. And Sikkim was subjugated. Now, another question over here is Ranjit Singh, of Punjab, he had employed European officers to train his army in modern warfare techniques. Definitely yes. He wanted to match the military standards of the British and the European part over here. Definitely both the statements are absolutely right. And understand that Punjab was a buffer zone in northern western frontier part. If you remember in your modern classes, they may be discussing about Lord Auckland, right? So basically, they wanted to keep Punjab as a frontier buffer state over there so that the invasions from the northwest frontier can be contained. Okay, definitely, this is absolutely right over here. Okay, Govindgarh Fort, absolutely right. This is Amritsar. Shalimar Bagh Fort, this is not in Multan, and Harparbat Fort, this is in Srinagar. Okay. Govindgarh Fort again, Amritsar. ठीक है, Punjab. Shalimar Bagh, don't confuse it fort. Don't confuse this Shalimar Bagh with Shalimar Fort. First of all, this fort is not present in Multan. Okay. The name of actual fort of Multan over here is Multan Fort or Kila Kona Kasim Bagh. So this is absolutely wrong. Little technical, little hard paper over here, but no matter what, UPSC surprises you anytime. Harparbat Fort, Srinagar, this is absolutely right. All factual questions. The Britishers, they used superior espionage and intelligence network to monitor Maratha affairs. Definitely. What Marathas? You know, Marathas, if you study the medieval part of India, you will notice that they had been the one who had been having the guerrilla warfares, right? Marathas were the one, basically, they were claiming from the Mughals the Chauth and Sardeshmukhi, right? So they were a fighting clan. So definitely it needed very superior espionage and intelligence network to fight them back. Maratha leaders like Nana Fadnavis had detailed knowledge of British political systems in India. No, they did not had this. The statement over here is, statement 2 is not right over here. Because these Maratha statesmen, they were completely ignorant of the British political structures over here. See over here, Treaty of Bassein, it was signed with Peshwa Bajirao too, absolutely right. Treaty of Deogaon, Bhosle Raja of Nagpur. Treaty of Surji-Anjangaon, Daulat Rao Scindia. Treaty of Rajpur Ghat, Jaswant Rao Holkar. All these are absolutely right over here. Too factual. UPSC